Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English, the topper's choice. In today's video, we are going to discuss about articles, that is indefinite article and definite article, its rules, use and omission. There are two types of articles in English. First is indefinite article, that is a or an, and second is definite article the. Articles are used before nouns. So at first we'll discuss about indefinite article. A or an is called the indefinite article because it usually leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of. See, for example, a doctor, that is any doctor. One more example, an umbrella, that is any umbrella. Now we'll see the use of indefinite article a. A is used before every singular countable noun which begins with a consonant sound. I repeat here, a consonant sound, not consonant letter. For example, a boy. Here, the singular countable noun boy begins with a consonant sound b. One more example, a reindeer. Here, a singular countable noun reindeer begins with a consonant sound r. We have some more examples. A horse. Some more examples. A woman. A yard. A hole. A cat. A dog. A pen. A house. A college. In all these examples, the nouns begin with consonant sound, and that is why we have used here indefinite article a. Now look at these examples. A unicorn. Unicorn, this singular countable noun, though begins with u, that is a vowel letter, but it begins with y, this consonant sound, and that is why we have used here indefinite article a, and that's why we say a unicorn. We have some more examples like this. See, a university, a union, a uniform, a utensil, a European, a useful article, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed man. So in these examples from 1 to 6, the singular countable nouns though begin with vowel letter, but they begin with consonant sound, that is y, and that is why we have used here indefinite article a. And in examples number 7 and 8, the countable nouns begin with the consonant sound w. Now we'll see use of indefinite article an. An is used before every singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. See, for example, an enemy. Enemy, the singular countable noun, begins with a vowel sound, and that is why we have used here an. One more example, an ink pad. Some more examples, an elephant, an apple, an egg, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella, an army, an idiot, an American. In all these examples, the nouns begin with vowel sound. Now, look at this example. An hour. Here, though the noun begins with consonant letter, that is H, but the noun begins with vowel sound, that is A. And that's why we have used here indefinite article an. We have some more examples like this. An honest man, an heir, an honor, an MP, an MLA, an SHO. So in these examples, we have used here indefinite article an because these nouns begin with vowel sound, that is a, or a. Now friends, we'll discuss about definite article the. The is called the definite article because it normally points out some particular person or thing. See, for example, he saw the doctor, meaning some particular doctor. Now we'll discuss about use of definite article the. Number 1. The definite article the is used when we talk about a particular person or thing or one already referred to. For example, the book you want is out of print. Here, which book? The one you want, the particular book. Number 2. The definite article the is used when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class. For example, the cow is a useful animal. One more example. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers. Number 3. The definite article the is used before some proper names, that is, names of oceans and seas. Example, the Pacific, the Black Sea. Before the names of rivers, for example, the Ganga, the Nile. Before the names of canals, for example, the Suez Canal. Before the names of deserts, example, the Sahara Desert. Before the names of groups of islands, for example, the West Indies. Before the names of mountain ranges, for example, the Himalayas, the Alps. Number 4. The definite article the is used before a very few names of countries, which include words like republic and kingdom. See, for example, the United States of America, the United Kingdom, the Irish Republic, the Netherlands. Number 5. The definite article the is used before the names of certain books. For example, the Vedas, the Puranas, the Ramayana, the Bible. Number 6. The definite article the is used before names of things unique of their kind. Means they are only one in the world. For example, the sun, the sky, the ocean, the sea, the earth. Number 7. The definite article the is used before a proper noun when it is qualified by an adjective. For example, the great Caesar, the immortal Shakespeare. Number 8. The definite article the is used with superlatives, that is, superlative degree form of an adjective. For example, the wisest boy, the most intelligent person, the darkest cloud, the best book, the most beautiful flower, like this. Number 9. The definite article the is used with ordinals. See, for example, the first man, the second row, the third floor. Number 10. The definite article the is used before musical instruments. See, for example, the flute, the tabla, the violin, the guitar, the sitar, like this. Number 11. The definite article the is used before an adjective when the noun is understood. For example, the poor are always with us. In the same way, the rich, the brave, etc. Now we'll discuss the omission of the article. That is, articles are not used. Number 1. The article is omitted or not used before names of substances and abstract nouns, that is, uncountable nouns, used in a general sense. See, for example, sugar is bad for your teeth. Gold is a precious metal. Wisdom is the gift of heaven. Honesty is the best policy. So here, before these uncountable nouns, sugar, gold, wisdom and honesty, article is omitted or not used. But make a note, uncountable nouns take definite article the when used in a particular sense, especially when qualified by an adjective or adjectival phrase or clause. See, for example, would you pass me the sugar? Here, the sugar on the table. The wisdom of Solomon is great. I can't forget the kindness with which he treated me. Number 2. The article is omitted or not used before plural countable nouns used in a general sense. For example, computers are used in many offices. One more example, children like chocolates. So here, the plural countable nouns, children and computers, we haven't used any article before these nouns. But make a note, such nouns take definite article the when used with a particular meaning. For example, where are the children? Here, particular children, our children. Number 3. The article is omitted or not used before most proper nouns, except those referred to earlier. Now for here, examples, we don't use article before the names of people. Example, Gopal, Rahim, Ram, Sita, like this. Before the names of continents, countries, cities, etc. For example, Europe, India, Nagpur, Raipur, like this. Before the names of individual mountains, islands, lakes, etc. For example, Mount Everest. Number 4. The article is omitted or not used before names of meals used in a general sense. See, for example, what time do you have lunch? Dinner is ready. But make a note. We use indefinite article a when there is an adjective before breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. and we use definite article the when we specify. See, for example, I had a late lunch today. The dinner we had at the Sagar Hotel was very nice. Number 5. The article is omitted or not used before languages. See, for example, we are studying English. They speak Hindi at home. So before languages, article is not used. Number 6. The article is omitted or not used before school, college, university, church, bed, hospital, prison, when these places are visited or used for their primary purpose. See, for example, I learnt French at school. We go to church on Sundays. He stays in bed till 9 every morning. My uncle is still in hospital. But make a note, definite article the is used with these words when we refer to them as a definite place, building or object rather than to the normal activity that goes on there. See, for example, the school is very near my home. I met him at the church. The bed is broken. I went to the hospital to see my uncle. Number 7. The article is omitted or not used before names of relations like father, mother, aunt, uncle, and also cook and nurse, meaning our cook, our nurse. For example, father has returned. Aunt wants you to see her. Cook has given notice. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.